These are American foods banned in other countries. Lane Norton edition. Lane said Olestra, a fat substitute used in diet chips, is
doing exactly what it was meant to do.
In no way is oily discharge intentional, and I was in no way
Fear pushers,
but simply stating facts. I think the fear was instilled by the FDA when they required by law that all packaging have a warning label that says may cause abdominal cramping and loose stools. And you say it won't happen unless you eat too much? With 86% of Americans eating on average 17 pounds of potato chips per year and binge eating being the #1 eating disorder in America, you're gonna have some unhappy customers. And that's probably why Olestra has been almost fully phased out since the late 90s. And lastly is BHA and BHT, which are synthetic additives that help prolong freshness of cereals and crackers. You say
the dosage makes the poison.
And the National Institutes of Health say it's reasonably anticipated to be a human carcinogen, hence why it's banned in multiple countries. I've also worked with major brands to improve food packaging